Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. I am your English teacher. Take out your English practice book. Take out page number 1. As we have studied yesterday about Mac's good habit, and as we also have studied yesterday that Max and his friends were provided with a project and they started to work upon their project. They went to a friend house named Anna, and then now we will start from today that what they have done at Anna's house. They decided on the following together, they decided to start their project. Their first question was that what causes volcanoes to erupt, means what causes volcanoes to burst out. The release of pressure when magma rises up through cracks in the earth's crust. It means that magma is present under the earth. It is present underground, so when its temperature rises, its pressure rises, it comes out from the volcano, and the volcano erupts and magma comes out in the form of lava. The next question was, I am explaining it again. How do volcanoes form? Volcanoes are usually mountains. When the lava comes from such type of mountains, then they are called as volcanoes. So how do volcanoes forms? When the magma under the ground becomes pressurized and it rises up and it usually bursts the earth crust or the first layer and it comes out from the first layer of the mountain, then it can cause lava. Lava from the eruptions, when cools down, it forms new crust on the earth. The crust builds up after several eruptions to form a volcano. It means that when one mountain erupts or volcano is formed, when other mountain erupt and volcano is formed, so the eruptions which are released from these volcanoes, they settle down on the earth and they form a new volcano. How hot is lava? Lava can get as hot as 1165 Fahrenheit, which is very hot. The next night they met at Josh's house to build their volcano. First of all, they have searched the answer that what causes the volcanoes to erupt and how do volcanoes form, how hot is lava, what is lava, etc. Then they go to their friend's house and they started their project. They used cardboard and modeling clay to start the project. First, they made a volcano shape with the cardboard, and then they covered the cardboard with brown and red clay. I am repeating myself. How do they form the volcano? First, they form a shape of volcano from a cardboard. Then they covered the cardboard with brown and red clay. The red clay was the lava which is flowing down from volcano. They show that red clay was lava which is flowing down from the volcano. They also attach red clay to the top of volcano in order to make it to look like that it was erupting. They usually place the red clay at the top of the volcano, at the peak. The volcano looked great. Max, Lace, Anna and Josh were very proud of their hard work because the volcano looks very good. When they turned in their project, their teacher was proud too. Thanks to Max's good habit, they earned an A+ on both parts of the project. What we have studied, that Max and his friends were provided with a project of volcano making. He and his friends usually group together and they usually work together to form a volcano. They usually form a very beautiful volcano which was made up of a cardboard and having brown and red clay, and when they show their project to their teacher, they gain A+ on their project. Now take out page number 2. Yesterday we have done 4 questions. Today we will do question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 5 is, where did the group meet on the second night? Now you have to search the answer that where did they meet on second night. So here is the answer. The next night they met at Josh's house to build their volcano. So we will write the answer. I have written my answer. The group met at Josh's house on the second night. Next question is, what is Max's good habit? Why is it good? This question has 2 parts. First part is, what is Max's good habit? Let's take out the answer from the chapter. Max reads more than anyone he knows. He loves to read. So write down the answer. Max's good habit is reading because he loves reading. Second part is, why is it good? why reading is good. Reading increases our vocabulary. It can improve our English. Now take out page number 3. We have a question. Match each word with its meaning in context. This is column A and this is column B. These are shuffle words. First word is article. Let me read all of the meanings, that which meaning is correct for article. First one is knowledge or facts about someone or something. Second is the thick outer surface of the earth. Third one is a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. Fourth one is explosion with flames and rocks. And fifth one is task or project. So article means a piece of writing that is published in a newspaper or magazine. So I will write A here, that it matches with article. Second is erupt. Erupt means explosion with flames and rocks. As we have studied in the chapter that magma erupts from the volcano. So I will write B here. Third one is assignment. Assignment means a task or project. As the task or project of volcano making was given to the Josh and his friends. So I will write C here. Fourth one is information. Information means knowledge or facts about someone or something. So I will write E here. And the last one is crust. Crust means the thick outer surface of the earth or first layer of the earth. So I will write E here. Sorry, this is D. Next question is, use the words in column A in meaningful sentences. It means that you have to make sentences of the following 5 words which are shown in the column A. First one is article, second one is erupt, third one is assignment, fourth one is information, and fifth word is crust. Look at the meanings which are present in column B and make the sentences of these 5 words here. Thank you for attending the lecture. Have a nice day.